it me, or is the shrink ray just about hit everything? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And I'm out on my first ride back on the stock seat where I had the memory foam put in at Mean City Cycles. I think it's called Double Decker. You can feel there's some more support, but I'm kind of thinking I have oh, poor little fella. I have an Indian aftermarket seat. It's a wider one I really like. I might send that to get this treatment or a gel pad put in, but I never have any luck with gel. It just hurts my bony ass. And you're probably asking yourself, why is Gears of Snore being so tame on the throttle today? Well, friends, it's a little after 7 on a Sunday morning, and I'm not trying to be that guy. That guy waking people up. I'm going to a place today because there's only so many videos of breweries and bagels and stuff I could do. Or even myself, I'm like, you know what, you gotta do something fun. So this place popped up and I'm like, man, would you look at these donuts. I'll put the name on the screen here. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it looks friggin' good. Then we'll do a mandatory stop at 9W Market to pick up some sangria. Spice pear is the way to go, friends. Spice pear. Yeah, normally I don't come up this way because there's a light there, there's a light there, and there's a light after. And in New Jersey, they don't time the lights, right? See, look, no sooner did I finish my sentence, that one turns red, this one's green. And this one's red. Well, how about that, friends? Oh, spoke too soon, it's green. Jump on the PIP for an exit or two. Because why the heck not, huh? Why the heck not? We have a FIFA World Cup game today, man. I am out early. The game starts at 3. I think it's the last game, so I think it is. And I'm figuring if that game starts at 3, man, everything's going to turn into a shit show at 12 o'clock. And I'm not trying to be out on the road. It says we're about 6 minutes out. Yeah, this place looked incredible. I was like, oh, I gotta get one for there and one to bring home for tomorrow. This isn't your like Dunkin' Donuts type donut. This is some next level donuting 101. And if you like donuts, if you give my video the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. This will be turning left at the next light. You don't have to yell. Behold, out on the wet road, spandex, ready to wiggle. We had like one hell of a rainstorm yesterday. It was really coming down. It was like all day too. Just what you want to do on your Saturday, be stuck in the house after working all week. Hooray! Hooray. I'm so confused. So is the right side of the street Orangeburg and the left's Northvale? Wow. Okay, yeah, I've never driven past this place. I thought it was on the strip there that ShopRite's on and Cousins and all that, but it's not.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Main Main Street.
So there is a place over here I'm gonna check out in one of my videos, probably when it gets colder. I think it's that place up there.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Hey, we're almost there. Yeah, I've never driven past this place. I'm guessing it's in this strip mall up here.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh yeah, check it out. And we're here. This thing's to die for. Churro cheesecake. You know we gotta go with the mandatory Diet Coke. Oh my God, was that a good donut? I think it's pronounced Deer Cold Donuts or Der Cold Donuts. I don't know. I'm not positive. I will tell you, churro cheesecake donut. Holy hell, was that good. And the mandatory Diet Coke, so there's no calories involved. I was not expecting that. I was like, just donuts, right? Oh no, oh no. Looks like they have a whole little farm there too. Parking lot leaves a little to be desired. Come on, Bubba. Be careful going in there if you're on a bike. They were making food when I went in there, donuts. They were very nice. Very cool place. Didn't even know about it. Just in shock at how good that friggin' donut was. Staff were nice, prices were fair. Going in, you want to be a little careful. The parking lot is a little bit of gravel. It's like, I guess they're a farm and donuts are right next door. And again, great friggin' donuts. Great donuts. I know I'm definitely coming back here. Oh man, so good. But if you made it this far, friends, I thank you for watching my trip to get a donut. Drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. until it's winter time, then just Fridays. I hope you'll stop by next week and check out a video. I'm trying to go to different places, breweries, restaurants, fun spots in West Virginia in a month. Take care.